Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to empty trash on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to empty your trash on Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us over here at the top left. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left corner, and this kind of panel will appear where we'll be required to scroll down on this panel. And you can see, guys, there is the trash option available for us over here. Now in order to empty your trash, tap on the trash button over here, and all of your trash will be available over here which you had deleted previously. Now in order to empty your trash, guys, tap on the empty trash now button, and again tap on the empty button over here, and then your trash on your Gmail will be emptied or cleared out. And that being said, guys, this is how to empty trash on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.